Hello everybody, this time we're going program remotes, Subaru Forester, I think so, Legacy and other stuff from 2005, 6, 7, 8 years. We should have this kind of keys. You don't need any tools, nothing. What you have to do is go here where you have a pedals. Probably something different in left hand side or right hand side, but now you go there and you will find the plug. Here you go, this is a white plug. And what you do, you just connect the plug. Okay, this is plug for programming remotes. Put it in, take your remote control. Here you go. No need any computers to do the remote control job. Just go inside, and what you need to do, I will try to do in one time. So hold it down, unlock button or lock button, and when you're holding it down, you will hear the beep and just you hear it's done. One remote is programming. Do the same with another one. Hold it down, the unlock button, and look, done. Another one is adapt. So both of them are adapt now. Now you have to go out from the car and go to disconnect this lovely plug. Okay, disconnect it, back off. Let's close the doors now and see how they work. Close it, and let's see. Okay, locked, unlocked, perfect. This one, old one working. Let's try the new one. Lock, perfect. Unlock, locked, yes, good. Perfect. Let's try the trunk, what the trunk can do. So now it's locked. Let's see the light, how they're working. Unlock, lock, perfect. Unlock, lock, locked. Let's see the trunk. Okay, yes, and the trunk is unlocked. Perfect. Let's lock. Perfect. All working good. So at the moment, thanks for watching and good luck with your remote programming on the Subaru cars.